Hey David, this is Gary again. I just ran altimeter through the vacuum chamber 3 times, and I used the LiPO battery that I kind of rigged onto it. So I'm about to download the data, and let's see what we get. And the battery came loose once, so I'm either going to be showing 3 or 4 simulated flights here. I'm not sure which. Alright, let's see if we can collect some data. Alright, this is what it's been doing. See if we can save this. Okay. Tell it where I want it. Okay. Oh, don't want to do that. Okay, looks like it picked up 4 flights. Okay. Alright, save successfully. Alright, and this is select and close. I'm assuming this shows, I'm not sure which flight this shows, so let me go through here and open a file. I'm assuming the first file is the most recent file. It's not quite clear in the manual. Okay. Let me open the second one. Third one. It's interesting. Okay, so the device seems to be working properly, at least in the vacuum chamber. So I don't know. You know, it's still, there's that voltage issue that's a problem. I don't know. I'm going to let you look at this and see what you can discern from what we're doing here. I'll talk to you later.